Thokozani emakhosini lesedi khanya chama kunda weshewe, right? I just want to give abantwana abedlozi a message ukuthi I know ukuthi kukhona abantu that have the spirit of amakhosi, which is bahamba namakhosi amanzi. Then kunabantu abanamakhosi esidlozi. Those who do not twasa, it's if unamakhosi wamanzi, right? Meaning amakhosi wakho asemanzini angathwaselwa. But ke wena unamakhosi that agidayo afanele ukuthwasa, you have to ukuthwasa. Now amaphupho wakhona will not be the same. And now it has to be you determining, because sometimes umuntu uhleli and thinking ukuthi hey mina nginamakhosi, mina ngithwasi, mina ngiguqeli umuntu mina. And remember, even if ungaguqeli umuntu, obviously ma uyothwasa amakhosi wakho, umuntu okuthwasisa umuntu kwayena unamakhosi. You won't be thwasised by somebody ongenamakhosi. Kufana nokuthi ma uyothwasa umnguni nomndawo, ngeke uthwasiswe umuntu ongenamnguni nomndawo. Kufana nokuthi ma unensimbi emhlophe, ngeke uthwasiswe umuntu ongenayo insimbi emhlophe. Ma uthwasa isisuthu, ngeke uthwasiswe umuntu ongenaso isisuthu. Amalopo, the list goes on. Now, you might find ukuthi you're spiritually gifted, but now wena uthwasa into that you're not supposed to ukuthi uyoyithwasela. Ingakho you're facing problems or you're facing challenges, right? It's not easy. You have to listen to amaphupho wakho. You have to listen to amaphupho wakho, right? And yeah, but ngiyanicela, you have to wenze into zakho. Akufanani. Kuyatholakala ukuthi umuntu abe namakhosi aphinde ayenze umnguni nomndawo, or abe namakhosi ayenze umndawo uthola ukuthi akanamnguni, or akufanani, yabo. Kufana nesithunywa, umuntu angaba nesithunywa saseweseli, umuntu abe nesithunywa sasepostoli, umuntu abe nesithunywa sasezayoni or kwaShembe. So having to listen and follow your dreams, it's very much important. I don't know how much I'll stress that. And obviously siphile eGoli, guys. Can't have indumba ezo-5 unless nejaridi elikhulu. But if unokuyi-2, uyakhonakala ukuthi endumbeni eyi-1 ube nemisamo emibili, noma uyihlanganise bahlangane basebenzisane. Ngithi baphila kuwe bonke dlozi lasekhaya, just that wena fanele bahlanganise ukuthi bangabanye. Khona umuntu makangena uzobona ukuthi okay, lo ngimhlola ngamakhosi, okay, lo ngimhlola ngamathambo umnguni, lo kufanele ngimhlole ngesindawo, mhlawumbe awusho izwa ngithi umparole, umfembe, yabo, kuyahluka. But anyway, good luck with your journeys. Emakhosini lesedi khanya chama kunda weshe.